first time on YouTube, a special food education channel designed for kids and people who wants to explore the secrets of fruits, veggies, and culinary marvels, a special channel where foods come alive to share their remarkable information. These foods have special benefits that are good for your health and can even help with certain illnesses. You can recognize them by their types and colors, which make them different from other foods. They come from different places around the world, and they have interesting stories about where they come from and their history. There are also some amazing things about these foods that you might not know. All the information you need is right here, and it's also useful for tests and exams. Learning about these foods is really important because it gives you the knowledge to take care of your health and feel better. Your journey with us isn't just about gaining knowledge. It's about making a positive impact on your life. Join us on this exciting journey, where learning is as tasty as your favorite snack. Don't wait. Click the subscribe button now and enjoy a bunch of interesting and exciting knowledge that's all set for you.